Make the ground shake.
Hey guys, we're back to Amazing Player Plays, and today I'm going to be making slime. And so I got some slime links here. It's the pokey type of slime. See, I'm put it on the table so you guys can see it. So, yeah. And if you want to see it. So yeah, and so you want to just lay down if you want to put. And do you hear it? So yeah. So it's the pokey type of slime. Let's get to it. I'm back, and so here's my cup. I'm gonna be doing it in this cup for my slime. Sit there. And so first, you're gonna need some borax and water. So first put in borax, then put in a little water, and then I'm gonna heat it up right now, okay? For 1 minute. Okay, hey guys, I'm back, and so I warmed it up. It's very warm. And now I'm going to use glue.
Because my dad struggled with this. Folks, don't wait. Step on up and talk to your doctor.
Let's heat it up. Yes, heat it up.
Me too, baby. If you have diabetes or burning shipping pain in your feet or hands, step on up and talk to your doctor today. Hard-to-nose winters can improve.
Okay, so you want about this much glue in a little container. That much. And color, if you want color. And subscribe which color you want down there. And I will do the color next time. And so I'm just going to do green or yellow. I don't care. Both. I don't care. Or I don't really care. So I'll do yellow. When you put in yellow, you gotta mix it all up. So mix it up. It should turn everywhere. So yeah. And I'm gonna add some more. Actually, I'm gonna add some green. See what it turns out as. So yeah. Okay, so it should look like this kinda. So I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow very quickly. Just a little drop. So we got green. So then I have some borax and water heated up. Microwave for 1 minute. And so do a little at a time, because you don't want to get it you don't want to get too much borax and stuff. So yeah, so starting to come out.
I was waiting for the hair to come off with the
Gotta put some more.
You have like dreads attached to the helmet.
So I'm mixing more, so this is how it turned out. So yeah, that's how it's gonna turn out. It's gonna be sticky at first, but at least you made it. And then it needs to bit more. So let me add some more. And so we're back. I made the sign. So if it's too sticky, you want to dip your finger in there. Then rub it everywhere. There we go. Way too sticky. So you want to add some.
Last Jedi in theaters December 15th. You went to Jared because he's a very smart
And so
man.
play around with it at first.
You'll only find at Jared. December 7th through 10th.
Oh, there's more slime in here.
He went to Jared.
It's got some more slime. More slime. So this is the first sticky slime I've ever made. My stepsister, who's 15, showed me how to do it. She's really good at making slime. And if it's more of all that stuff. And so, yeah, so, okay, so I got my slime. It's really sticky still. I'm gonna add teensy. It's actually really light here, but like in the frame of you guys, which is, you guys are very awesome. Smash that like button down there. Let's dance. Dance while you're smashing that little like button. And subscribe to our channel, please. Gonna add some. So, and if you want, you can add baby oil. And so lotion makes it, whoa, a little mess there. Teensy mess there. It's really like ooey gooey. Now, rub my hands if this stuff doesn't come off you because it was slimy in the beginning. And so yeah, got your slime. See, it's slime. It's a big slime. Let me just mix it up and we'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. And so if you want, you can add some like Orbeez. Whoa, they're already starting to spill out everywhere. And I think it would be really cool if we sticked it into here. So I'm going to do that. So let's just get those 4 in there. I'm going to add more. So let me add more. And so I add them in. Do you see that? They're little, tiny, little. They don't pop. They're not like Orbeez. But if you want me to do an Orbeez line, you can do that also. So I'm almost done. Let me just grab some more. And so there we go. So now I'm gonna put it everywhere. Whoa. Whoa. And so, yeah, so I'm gonna mix it. So hi, I'm back. So it looks like the foam balls in them, but there aren't any foam balls. And because I can't find my foam balls, so we're gonna go buy more later. Not later, but somewhere around the year. Because I'm supposed to keep them. And so we don't have any, so we're gonna go get them probably next year. Something like that. So I can show you guys, you amazing guys. Dun, 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 dun. The I can mix it with you guys. You guys will look awesome with it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That's my y'all. So look, you can see all the stuff in there right now.
Yeah, I have a lot of it. I have some of it. But I don't bake them all. I'm going to go to Venus next week in the bacon. I probably need to wait for the Scotty for that, but I need to really probably look to go before I go yet. Because it has to be...
And I have a couple shout outs. So first, I have a shout out to Jake Paul and Logan Paul. Next, I got a shout out to some musical people, which there is Yvette, someone named Yvette, someone named Devin, someone named Michael. You might not be able to find them because they might have deleted Musically, but they're very cool at stuff. I'm not saying you guys aren't. You guys are amazing. You guys are better than them. And so I have a couple more shout outs. I have a shout out to amazing player who is on Musically. You should really search him up. He's really good at it. He went to his grandma's, and also he drove a little car. It's very amazing. He didn't use his foot. It's like driving those little vehicles that have a little gas in them. And so I have another shout out to Connor. I have another shout out to Heidi. I don't know things. And I have another shout out to Kinley. So McKinley, all I know is Caden and McKinley. I told you, Caden is an amazing player and then plays. And so Kinley kind of copied mine. And she said, Kinley, little girl. And then she put at blah, blah, blah. Not at blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean. I forgot what it is. So, yeah. So, let's get the rest of the slime out of this stuff.
It's a good looking run. You see Cooper there. He might get rolled up on. I think that's exactly what happens. Remember, Tim, he's been nursing the ankle injury. Didn't practice on Wednesday or Thursday. And so that's not good news for the Raiders. This has been an unexpected season for Cooper.
Oh, by the way, the kids can, Hayden and Delaney can play later. So, and also we made a dessert challenge. We can eat it fast. So it's called, Caden, what was it called? It was called the ice cream sundae challenge. Was it called that? So it was called the ice cream sundae challenge. So you should really go see it. And so, see you guys later. Make sure okay, if I have a fidget spinner, which I'm going to go look for one, you guys have to smash that like button. I don't think I have one. Let's see, it's a challenge for me. And I promise I won't go to the store. So I'll be back in a couple minutes. Bye! And if I can spin it for 30 seconds and see if it wins, you have to smash that like button and smash the YouTube. And write a nice comment, please. Ready, set, go. I'll put the timer on, actually. Ready, set. Actually, for 50 seconds. Ready, set, go. Twenty-seven, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 15, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, still spinning a teensy bit. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did it? I think I actually did. Here, I'll make another one. So I have to do it for 30 seconds. So let me do... No. Here. Here. No, not minutes. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to work, so while I'm doing that, I'll be back. Bye. See you later. This is the person who helped me make it. Her name is Kenzie. And so, I'm gonna do it. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And yeah, 17. So, I made it to 17 at least. So yeah. Bye! See you later! Okay, so we're back and we are poking slime to let you guys hear it.
Houston Texan, Lamar Miller. Lamar Miller has been a fixture at running back for this team for so many years, and he is shaken up. Well, we'll be back in 30 seconds after these messages from Pizza Hut and Duracell.
Pizza Hut.